Alright, welcome back to video number 8. Let's continue our process of creating your first newsstand application. And the next important element which you need to do is to add in-app purchase with apple.com. In-app purchase is a very important one because it does proceed all payments from your readers for your magazine. Without it, you can't get any revenue and profit. So that's why firstly come here to this your application at the appsmoment.com and find purchase.html page and click here edit and select after renewable feature, as you can see right here. Basically we will need to add here your Apple in-app purchase ID, and we are going to make this one just in this video. Okay, so now let's go to your iTunes Connect account, to this one, itunesconnect.apple.com. Please note that Apple made some changes to the design of this page. So the first thing, click here at My Apps, and right here you can add new page, new app. Before you will do this, you need to register a new bundle ID. So as you can see, the link is based right here. Okay, here you need to enter some general name, so for example your magazine. Here some bundle ID, okay, and here what I will recommend you to do is only to add push notification, right, and click continue. Then you need to go back to this page, reload it, and find this bundle ID which we just created right here. Okay, so that will be, for example, this one. Here you need to enter the name for your application, language, version number, and SKU number. This is again can be any general one. And click Add Create. I'm going to cancel this right here, and let me show you how I did it with, for example, with iTravel magazine. After you will create new app, you will come to such window. So at the top you will be able, as you can see, upload different sizes of the screenshots. Here you can enter name, description, what's new in the version, keywords, support, marketing URL, privacy. Okay, this is looking like this one. So now you need to enter information about your application, like, as I say, a keyword, description, upload some icons and screenshots. Yes, this process is really simple one, but as you are going to make newsstand magazine, there are some very important rules about that. And the first thing it is very important is to write a correct description. Apple does require from you to write down in the description terms and conditions. For example, let's go back and you can see that I'm putting here the terms and conditions, for example. Yes, so you need to do this, copy this information. You can find my magazines in the iTunes, copy that and use it for your magazine, so don't forget about that. Otherwise, please note, otherwise Apple will simply reject your application from publishing. So again, it is very important to have correct description. And don't forget to enter support URL. So for example, you can need to put here some support URL for your magazine. If you don't have one, you can even enter this one. It is okay to do this one. Alright, and now the next thing is to upload your icon. You can do this right here, and the screenshots, as you can see at the top. By the way, in the next video I'll explain you where you can create awesome icons for free. So when you've done this, you can click at save. And one more thing which I also would like to mention is to have privacy policy and terms of use. You need to do this to enter this information, as you can see right here. Yes, for example, I made such one based at this URL. If you want, you can go to this URL, touchleak.org/privacy-html, and copy this privacy policy. Without privacy policy URL right here, and without terms of subscription here, Apple will simply will reject your application. So be careful with that, and don't forget to add that. Now when you finish, again click save, and the first thing which you need to do is to use this one section, newsstand. Just for the purposes of this video, I'm going to open another my app. For example, it will be this one. Okay, and when you'll come to this section, as you can see, its message is allowing you to enable the status for the newsstand. So you are going to click here, right? Now let's go back and click right here at the in-app purchases. Okay, and simply create new one. Now you need to select this one after renewal subscription, because you are going to charge every single month your readers for your magazine. So click select one, and here you need firstly to give the reference name. So for example, your magazine 1, and click add duration. We are going, for example, to charge every single month. Here please be careful and enter the product ID. This ID, this is what we are going to use later on in apps moment system. So your magazine. Okay, and as you can see, there are two marketing options here. Offer a marketing opt-in incentive. This is very important because Apple will do all marketing stuff for you, and I'm highly recommending you to use both options with 7 days of incentive and free trial as well, like for example for 7 days as well. That means that user is subscribing to your magazine and getting 7 days free offer, and after that Apple is going to charge user for subscription of the magazine. That's why again I highly recommend you to use opt-in incentive offer and free trial as well. Then you need to enter price for your application. Usually I'm selecting this one, second one, with the, let me scroll down, as you can see, with the price $1.99 per month, and click save. Now you will need to add a language of your magazine and some description right here. So here, your magazine title, your magazine small description, and again your magazine title. Click save, and at the end you need to, the last thing is to upload screenshot for review. Here you are simply uploading a cover of your magazine, and within a couple days you will get approval from Apple to publish your application. So for example, I can go to the this one and upload here the cover of my image. Oh yes, sorry, I used incorrect format size. Here you go. When you'll click save, Apple will take a couple days to for approval of your in-app purchase. Now you need to copy a name of your product ID, this one here, okay, and go back to appsmoment.com. Here we go, and you need to insert this product ID right here, as you can see. Please be careful again, because this is where all payments are going through, and don't forget to click save. Alright, now your application is almost ready. You can even test your application in the web reviewer and see that when user is clicking on the download link, for example at the here, it is going to the purchase page, and after that they will go to the archive page after successful transaction. And now a user will click on the particular issue of your magazine, and it will go to the content of that magazine. Now we need to finish the process of publishing your application. That's why go to the click here, done, and go to the newsstand properties, which are based right here. Here you need to firstly to enable for the newsstand, as you can see, and you need to upload 2 covers of your newsstand magazine, and the one is going to be have the size like this one, and the second one has a bigger size. So upload them here, those icons, and click save. You can do this with the cover of your magazine. And now 2 more things which we need to do is when you click done. The first one, you need to add information about your application in the App Store properties right here. Here again you need to enter name and description of your application with keywords and icons image, which is based right here, as you can see. Okay, when you'll do this, click save, and the next thing which we need to do is to go to the app multimedia, and here simply add different sizes of icons and splash retina displays. So when you'll do this, basically that's it. All you need to do now is to click at the publish button and proceed simple steps of publishing your application. Also understand that you will need to have your own icons, images of your application, and that's why I'm going to talk about that in the next video. So thanks for watching this video, and see you in the next one. Bye for now.